Hey guys, good morning. So this morning I will be cooking some quick and easy pancake. So guys, this is very easy and simple. It's plant-based, and what I'm using today, I'm gonna use 1.5 cups of water. I'm gonna use some old-fashioned oats. I'm gonna use 1 cup of tofu, and I am using 3 tablespoons of nuts or seeds. You can use any nuts of your choice. So I am using today, I'm going to use some almonds and 1.5 teaspoon of sweetener of your choice. You can use honey, maple syrup, or if you don't want no sweet at all, you don't have to put no sweetener, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So with that being said, let's blend everything up. So all this is going to go in the blender. I already put the salt in the blender. So after I blend everything smoothly, I leave it to sit because it's kind of liquidy. So I'm gonna let it sit here for like 10 or 20 minutes so it can get a little thicker with the oatmeal before I start put it on the waffle maker. So I just put it to sit. Waffle maker. So after I make the mixture sit, I'm about to pour it in. So I'm about to pour it on. And you don't want to pour too much.